in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please click the like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm at work and I have like less than 10 minutes for lunch. So we're having Jollibee for lunch today. We have the pineapple puncher and I never had this sandwich before, so I'm gonna try it today. And I bought one piece of chicken for $3. I don't want the chicken. And I can't eat Jollibee without eating it. Well, I wanted some spaghetti. I love this spaghetti. Alright, let's try this sandwich first. I gotta go to work soon. Oh. The spicy deluxe sandwich. Oh. Very spicy. This is jalapeno. I said jalapeno. I try to go everywhere, so I want people won't get. I'm gonna try this chicken. Spicy, the spicy. Very spicy. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm at work, so people don't be in the background. But look at this. Oh, that chicken is spicy. Now we're gonna dip this sandwich in the gravy. Oh, this is very spicy, y'all. Oh my god. Not spicy though. sandwich is really spicy. I don't think I'm eating no more. It's really spicy. And the chicken. I'm done. Oh, I was supposed to put the spaghetti on the chicken and I forgot. Because I saw somebody do that and I was going to try it. But I'm going to try it with the sandwich. One bite and then I'm going to end this video. So I'm going to put it on here. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that tastes good. Alright. Oh. I think I'm tasting some jalapeno or something. I don't see it though, but I taste it. Oh yeah, there you go. I see it. That shit hot. But oh, I forgot to say happy Friday. But thank you guys for watching. That's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.